Oh, hey! So I just got to go to Korea and man, it was a great trip. I got to do a couple car things that I'm excited to share with you on YouTube. So I did the Hyundai kind of a exhibit that they have, like a big giant motor exhibit. And then I also did a BMW track experience. It was a short experience, but it was really cool. Just kind of cool to do different things in a different country. This video is going to focus on the Hyundai one, and then I will have a separate one for the BMW track experience. So with that, I'm excited to share the Hyundai. Oh, hold on. My phone's ringing. It's my friend. Let me see what he wants. Hey man, what's going on?
Hey, dude, just want to let you know it's kind of weird that you're wearing a black pink shirt.
What's wrong with wearing a black pink shirt? I just went to Korea. All the kids were wearing it. It was kind of cool. And it's kind of a little tight, but that's fine.
It's just kind of weird. I mean, you're a 39-year-old man wearing a black pink shirt with a bunch of girls on it.
I mean, I guess it's kind of weird.
This gap, Jesus, uncanny. So I don't think we got that color in the US.
This is like a
Pearl white.
I like this color.
Yeah, I like it a lot. I don't think we got that.
Gray, right?
Yeah, we got like the dark gray color that was flat.
This
I don't
is kind
think-
of a metallic gray.
Yeah, I don't think we got this, but I'm not sure. But maybe not. No, I think it is darker in the US. I still like these cars. I think they look cool.
Looks like a Lego, man.
I know, that's what I like about it. I like the interior for the EV6
Do you
better.
guys have this side cameras?
No,
No.
that's not regulation in the US. Oh yeah, that's a good point. It's so cool. It's so badass. It just feels like it's a lot of stuff to go wrong.
Really?
Like just, I mean, that's a lot of electronics, right? Like,
Yeah. I don't like it.
oh, I love it. I wish we could get it in the US.
Did you see the new G90?
No,
In
I wanted to
person?
see that.
But the back seat should be good. It's got the air suspension for the first time.
Nice. Dude, look at the carpeted.
This is like an electric door, man.
You here? Cool. You gonna go to the front? So it's surprising to me that they haven't incorporated the electric mirrors in these cars.
Yeah.
It's so big.
It is.
It's a really nice interior compared to the EV6 even.
G70, right?
Yeah, the GV70.
GV70.
This is a GV80?
Yeah.
I think they just launched in the US. Those are that's the venue. We got the venue in the US. We don't have the Casper. The Casper looks like a Juke. The Nissan Juke.
Yeah.
It's pretty ugly. Proportional.
This one.
The wheels are proportionally ugly. I could see the appeal for somebody looking for like a quirky car, but the interior looks like a taxi. Get in line?
충돌 사고 시 안전하게 지키며 연질 강판은 무르기 때문에 자동차의 앞뒤 본인이 이동하시기 바랍니다. 자유롭게 체험해 보세요. 앞에 있는 모니터를 통해서는 자동차의 처리,
This is really light.
생산되는 과정도
So what are they
살펴볼 수
showing?
있고요.
Like the raw
They use all these
like mix, and then this is like high advanced strength.
아니 슬비라여 사용하고 있습니다.
This is not.
모니터를 눌러보시면
So
같은
she said
뷰링을
that it depends
확인하고
on the
초고
portion of the
장력
car.
강판이
They
훨씬
use
촘촘한
high
걸
advanced
확인하실 수
metal,
있습니다.
some mild.
이렇게 완성을 하게 됩니다. 실제 제네시스 캐링에도 사용해주고 있는 용접 방법인데요. 두 가지 옵션을 통해서 하나의 차체를 이렇게 완성했다면
I love that they just use lights. Maybe they should apply more paint because that's one thing Kia Stingers have problems with. The paint is so thin.
Oh, is it?
Even the EV6, the paint is so thin.
특수 접착제를 사용해서
God, the accuracy.
이렇게 정확한 위치에 조립을 마친 후에는 약 200여 가지의 테스트를 거친 후에 현대 차량이 출고가 되고 있고요. 고객님들께서는 앞쪽 영상 보일 수 있도록 서보실게요. 유모차 이용하시는 고객님은 저를 따라서
Airbags.
저희 특별 시험부터 안내해드리겠습니다. 자유롭게 한 번씩 시험해주세요. 모두 실제 제네시스 운전 영과가 모두 다 정품임을 확인시켜드리고 있습니다. 하나, 둘, 셋. 네, 실제로 에어백이 팽창될 때는 방금 들었던 소리보다 훨씬
뒤에서 차가우는 게 안 보였나 봐요. 지금 앞에서 보고 계시는 이 차량은 시속 64km의 속도로 자동차 운전석에 앞서는 중 69%입니다.
The rotors. Missing rotors. Split in half.
우리 친구들 손은 아래로 잠시 내려주세요. 수소 저장합니다. 5번 수소 탱크를 설치해 주십시오. 자 이제 1륜의 구동 모터를 8번에 설치.
Super expensive.
But the the biggest hurdle about this technology is that the hydrogen tank
Yeah.
is really fragile, and there's a high risk if it bursts.
Combusting.
Then everybody will die. Yeah.
But the air is cleaner though.
Yeah.
미래
괜찮으실까요? 네, 바로 입장하겠습니다.
오렌지색 바구니에 보관해주세요.
Front dude.
무거운 짐은 손에 대한 책임은 지지 않고 있으니 물품 보관 시 주의 부탁드립니다.
You wanna go all the way
안전바
down?
내리지 않겠습니다. 자석
라이드 상용과는 특수 효과와 의자의 움직임이 있기 때문에 상영 중에는 절대 일어나시면 안 됩니다.
This makes it worth the $6 or whatever it was.
맞습니다. 엠브랜드 체험관입니다. 2층에서는 실제 랠리카들 전시되어 있는 걸 확인해 보실 수가 있고요. 2층부터 무료 전시 공간이어서 자유롭게 관람 가능합니다.
It's cool though. Is this a real car? It is the real
She
car.
said it's the one that really went to the rally. So,
Just a few scuffs. Okay, people who drive normally in malls have more marks than that. This guy's rally just. We didn't get the I-30 in the US.
my cousin bought this car. The Avante N.
Yeah. This is the Elantra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The N version. Like $25,000 or something here.
Oh, dude,
It's okay. Like okay fast.
really good
okay.
reviews.
But then I don't like these cars. It's so plasticky.
A little over the top, but
Yeah.
it's a nice looking
But
car.
considering the price, maybe it's reasonable.
Room in Korea somewhere that has the Pony.
That's the one that we have to go really far.
Oh, this is cool.
This is expensive, man.
Yeah,
$300.
$280.
It's a remote control.
Oh, that's all right. Oh god.
There's the N pack over there.
Where's that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Buy this. Wear this to the M tomorrow. The BMW.
Oh, I thought this was a M. Sorry. I apologize.
Wait,
I like the look of the Galloper one.
Caliper is actually based on Pajero.
It looks like a Mitsubishi.
Yeah, it's a co-design. Not co-design. They borrowed the design license. You wanna find your EV6?
Oh, this is Kia.
Yeah,
That's
this
the
is a Kia. So
Even if they had the Ioniq, that would be cool, but it doesn't look like they have it.
Pony.
Yeah. I've always liked the look of the Pony.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out which color I would like.
Officially. They're pretty new with the EV. They don't produce